This pair of HERMES sandals came to us looking like this. They had completely been taken apart. The leather soles are hard and warped and don't even bend. And as you can see, they are in rough shape. Now the question is, can we get this pair of HERMES sandals back to their former glory? Well, stick around and let's find out.
Did Trent mention that these were almost $900? Let's get these things resold and we're gonna try to find something good in them. I don't even begin to know how these things got warped the way they do, because if you look at that, it's pretty flat. But then the sole is peaks, valleys, and so let's see here. This thing has a leather welt that goes around, and you might be able to tell it's got a little wedge of a midsole. So we're gonna have to build another one of those, and obviously we need a fresh piece of sole leather. So let's get these things broken down. All right, so here's our insole. It is paper. It's literally paper.
All right, I'm gonna try to clean this as gently as possible. I don't want to take the color off, but it is a little dirty, so I'm using a toothbrush. Okay, so we've taken all of the leather pieces out of the water, and we've also cleaned the uppers. Now, there's not a whole lot we can do to this sandal until we've given those leather pieces time to dry. But hey, there is one thing that we can do, and that is to help you all with your Black Friday and Christmas holiday season shopping. And the best way to do that is to point you all over to Anson Belts, which is today's video sponsor. Now look, it's no secret, so many of you out there watching this right now already own Anson Belts because you've told me. Heath and I also own a lot of Anson belts. And the reason for that is because it is a one-size-fits-all belt system. So with a lot of leather belts, as you gain weight or lose weight, you're having to punch additional holes into that leather. With Anson, you don't have to do that. When you get your Anson belt in, all you do, you take the belt out of the box. You wrap it around yourself. You find out, hey, where does this belt fit on me? You mark that spot. You take a pair of scissors, you cut it off, you attach the buckle on there, you snap it in place, and then you let the micro adjustable ratchet system do its job. You simply click in and you'll hear the little ratcheting clicking going on as you fit it into place. Bada bing, bada boom, the belt is done. It is that simple. And another great thing about Anson belts is you can mix and match. You can buy from different collections of theirs. They have different box sets, and they also come with a lifetime guarantee. Now guys, Anson belts are fashionable, functional, and affordable. And they have so many different variations of styles, colors, and materials that when it comes to their straps and buckles, there are literally 10,000 different belt combinations that you can create. Now, one of the things that I really like about Anson is that the straps come in real leathers, canvas, nylon, cloth, micro suede. They even have vegan and other premium limited edition materials. Anson Belt and Buckle has been in business for 15 years and has over 30,000 five-star reviews. They make an incredible product and they have amazing customer service. They also make a great gift for anyone. So whether you're a man, a woman, or any age, Anson Belts has something for you. Now, ladies and gents, after this video, make sure you click on the link down below for the best offer. Whether you're buying just one buckle and one belt, or whether you're taking advantage of the best offer, which is their box set, you definitely want to check out Anson today. So our sprayer just went kaput. We're not going to be able to use it any longer, but we have to get these recolored, so we're going to have to do it by hand. So let's get to it. Okay guys, this pair of HERMES sandals has been completed. Now, before we show you what they look like, just a couple of quick reminders. We are also running our Black Friday sale on Southern Polished. So if you're looking to support small business, made in the USA, family business, veteran-owned business, then check out Southern Polish. Our Black Friday special is running. Also, don't forget to check out Anson Belt. They're fantastic belts, and people, they do love them. Great reviews. We have several of them. I do love them. So check them out. All right, straight to it. These were in rough shape. They came to us completely apart. Heath, what'd we do?
All right, one of them wasn't that bad. One of them was completely, hold on one second. That is one of the soles. That has been soaking in water for what, 2 days?
Yeah.
About 2 days.
Yeah.
And it's still
Warped.
hard as a rock, and just completely, I don't know if it's like soaked in concrete or whatnot before, but they were in rough shape.
Yeah.
So we broke it down. The welt was in pretty rough shape. It was all kind of gnarled, so we actually had to create a new one out of veg tan to replicate that same kind of color. New leather soles. There were marks all over this leather, both that green and the white straps, and so we had to put a top coating, kind of color over some of those blemishes, and give it this fresh, sleek look. Put a sealant on top of it. It looks good.
I think they turned out great.
This was actually one of my favorite ones that we've done in a long time.
Yeah.
We normally don't do
sandals.
We do a lot of welted shoes.
Yeah.
And we don't do a lot of sandals, and we don't do a lot of just like glued construction. But when these came in, we were like, why not? Let's do a video of it. So we did this for you.
Yeah. So we enjoyed it. Guys, I hope you all did as well. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like the video, and until next time, y'all have a good one.